Dragons, Ray Mason here. Today we are back with part 2 of smashing toilets with a sledgehammer. If you guys haven't seen part 1, it was so fucking awesome. But I am not alone. I am here with my good brother, Rusty Reviews.
Sup guys, I got a hammer, and today we're gonna smash this.
Alright, who should we do it? Smash it? I think I want to smash this.
The lid part?
Yeah.
Like, do you want to smash it, like take off the lid and then smash it? And
No, all of it.
all of it? Okay, yeah.
We could do. But first, we got gloves, because this...
Safety first.
Safety first, because this stuff, even when it's shattered, are stinking sharp.
Very.
So that's why we got gloves on, because last time, I didn't have gloves, so...
Yeah.
But that was, like, after...
After you realize, oh shit, I almost
cut myself. Yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna... Let's have some fun.
Get into it. Alright, you smash the top part, I smash the bottom?
Yep. Alright. 3, 2, 1. I closed my eyes for that. Well, that was bloody awesome. Alright. Oh, my ears.
Yeah, I know. Alright, let's not smash it anymore because it would be easier if we have one piece.
Yeah, and you'll smash the bottom.
Yep.
Alright. My ears are ringing.
Why not?
Make sure you get a good shot. Also, yeah, this one's filled with dirt. This is one from the garden.
Because why not?
Why not? Alright.
I have to get it from like a side view, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
The dirt's still on it.
The dirt is still there.
Wow.
Okay.
Fries.
Oh.
This is going everywhere.
I guess that would do.
That'll do. Ah. One more go.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much. Yeah. Yeah. Hope y'all to enjoy this video. Please leave a like if you do. Let's go subscribe to me. Let's try to get to 500 subscribers. Make sure you check out Rusty Reviews. He has 2 videos on his channel. And yeah. Hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm Ray Mason. Sign out.
Later, guys.
Peace, Dragons.